Today I have 15 Disney princess pins from BoxLunch to open. So we've got 4 different kinds, and we've got some princess purses, some luggage tags, some rings that have a little crystal on them. They're very pretty. And then I'm really excited for these princesses inside an archway. So let's get started and see what we got. So I'm going to start first with the purses, and we've got 6 princess purses, and they each have a little crystal at the end of a little cord hanging from them to give a little bit of extra interest. And I actually can't really tell what all of these are on these little pictures. I mean, I see Cinderella is obvious. So let's open them and see what we get. So I have 3 of these. And the first one is a Cinderella. And that's the one I really wanted. As you can see from my shirt, I love Cinderella. So this one's really pretty. It's got the bluebirds and pumpkins and thread and bows and the pearls. And oh, these are so detailed. And the castle. And then it's got this little plastic crystal. Really cute. I really like that. So Cinderella. Now for purse number 2. And this is Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. And this is a really bright pink. It's really very striking. And it has a pink crystal, and it's got a castle in the middle. Doesn't really look like Sleeping Beauty castle though, but anyway. And it's got a crown and some birds and some thorns. And this one's really pretty too. These are so nice. I really like the BoxLunch pins. I think they're really pretty. And we have one more purse. And our third and final purse is, it's a different one. It's green. Who are you? Oh, it's Ariel. Ariel, so it goes with my ears. So this is a beautiful green purse, and it has Ariel's castle and a purple crystal and seashells, of course, and seahorses and a dingle hopper at the bottom. How cute. Oh, these are all so pretty. I don't think I'm going to be trading these away. I think these are really pretty. So we had 3 purses, and now we have 3 luggage tags. So on these, we have 6 different princesses. You can get Ariel, Rapunzel, Jasmine, Cinderella, Tiana, or Belle. So we have 3 of these. Number 1. And we got an Ariel to go with our purse. So these pins are a little on the small side. I expected these to be a little bigger, but they're really pretty. This Ariel has a gold silhouette of Ariel looking up, and at the top it has a red tag, and they have a little bit of glitter in the background. Oh, and at the bottom it says their land. So Atlantica, it says on the bottom. Those are really cute. These are really pretty. I just wish they were bigger. Luggage tag number 2. And we have a bell. You know, actually, this one isn't glitter. So it did say on the box of these glitter chaser. And so I guess Ariel is the glitter chaser on this one. So I'll let you see them both side by side. And you can see that the Ariel one has glitter. So the bell is, of course, Belle's color yellow. And at the bottom in teeny tiny print, oh, the Black Forest. And so we've got a silhouette of Belle, and she has roses around her. And then there's a rose at the top. Very pretty. And luggage tag number 3 is another Ariel. Okay, so we have our first duplicate of this session. I doubt it will be the last. So we have a second Ariel, and it's also glitter. Okay, so now let's move on to the third type of pin, the little princess rings. And these look really neat. They have a little crystal in the center of each one. And it's still a pin, even though it really looks like a ring, but it does have a real hole in the middle. So for this one, we can get Ariel, Belle, Tiana, Jasmine, Aurora, or I guess that's Mulan. Yeah, that's probably Mulan. So the first ring is, oh, these are really big. We got an Aurora to go with our purse. These are really large. They're bigger than I was expecting. And it's got this nice big pink crystal. On the right side, we have a blue rose, And on the left, we have a pink rose. It's really pretty. These are really neat. I'm excited to see what the other ones look like. Ring number 2 is jasmine. So this one is all blue and gold, and we have a blue crystal, and we've got the genie's lamp on both sides, and then some drapery that looks like her outfit. It's really pretty. These are really different. And the third one, I hope it's a different one. Ring number 3 is Tiana. And this one has a nice, beautiful emerald colored stone in the middle, and it's in the middle of her lily flower. Very pretty. These are nice. So, I mean, you could wear it as a ring, I guess. Probably be uncomfortable. All right, so now for the last set that we're going to open, I have 6 of these. And these are these really pretty princess golden silhouette inside different archways. And so the options for this one are Merida, Aurora, Snow White, Pocahontas, Moana, and Ariel. So this one has a little bit of a different selection. I'm excited for this. You don't see a whole lot of Merida in with the princess pins. So we have 6 of this one. Hopefully we didn't get any duplicates, but you know we will. We're going to get dupes. It's BoxLunch, so we're going to get dupes. The first one, it's the Merida. So excited about that. This one's really pretty. I love it that she's in a little castle. And by the way, the this formation that you see at the top of the castle shaped like that, that's called crenellation, because I have to be educational. So this is beautiful. We have this golden silhouette of Merida with her hands on her hips, and there's her castle behind her, and got some flowers and a sword with a Celtic knot. These are really pretty. These are a really nice size. Oh, I hope we can get all 6. So, second one, it's Moana. So this one is really pretty. And of course, I mean, Moana doesn't have a castle. Her castle is the sea, I suppose. So she's standing on the beach, and there's waves crashing behind her, and then a beautiful wave symbol up top in green, which really reminds me of the decor at the new Polynesian Tower at Disney World. So this one's really pretty. Number 3. Snow White. So we've got Snow White, and we've got the poison apple right up top, and a golden silhouette of Snow White, and behind her is a red castle, and she has white flowers around her against a nice blue background. Very pretty. Number 4, and it is Pocahontas. We're on a streak. So this one is really pretty. Look at these colors. So we have Pocahontas, and she's standing in front of the colors of the wind, just like Moana. She has no castle. And behind her, the sun is like a sunflower. And we've got these beautiful orange and purple trees and a butterfly. Oh, these are so pretty. Number 5. It's another Merida. Okay. So I will probably trade this one away then. These are just so nice. I really like these. Okay, so 1 duplicate, last one. So we still need Ariel and Aurora. It's the last one. Come on. It's another Pocahontas. Okay. All right, so we got 4 out of 6, which isn't bad for a BoxLunch, really. I mean, it's really not. But these pins are so beautiful. I think these are really nice for trading, and you can trade the BoxLunch pins at Disney World. They are officially licensed Disney pins. They say Disney on the back. So out of 15 pins, we got 3 duplicates, which I guess isn't bad for a BoxLunch. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, if you could please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me with the algorithm. And you can also check out my other pin opening videos. I have a playlist, and I've also got some new DVC resort tours that we did recently, if you'd like to check those out. And I've also got some more pin videos coming up. And so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!